Well, department stores have seen better days. Traffic is down, so is revenue and growth. And this week, with a number of earnings reports due, we may learn just how big that sector's obstacles are. Courtney Reagan reports.
It's not as if the last several quarters have been great for previous standouts like Macy's and Nordstrom, but many retail watchers suspect something further has been happening recently, and it doesn't bode well for department stores' results this week. There's a lot of chatter that starting around March, traffic began to slow. Retailers started slashing prices, but still, clearance merchandise built up. Weather wasn't great in some places. Easter was early. Gas prices increased 50 cents per gallon since mid-February, and Amazon recently launched its own private label clothing lines. RBC analyst Brian Tunick notes department stores have spent more than $4.5 billion in the last several years investing in their own online shopping initiatives, but the return on that investment is uncertain, if not unfavorable so far. There are other worrisome signals. L Brands is one of the few retailers left releasing monthly sales, and April was a rare and wide miss. Knowing that the parent of stronghold Victoria's Secret and Bath & Body Works is faltering adds to mounting concern ahead of Macy's, Kohl's, Nordstrom, and JCPenney's reports. JCPenney doesn't report until Friday, but tried to give investors some comfort today, saying it's, quote, pleased with its first quarter performance, which is so far exceeding expectations. This in response to a report last week suggesting the retailer was instituting wide cost cuts, which caused shares to tumble. Macy's, once a favorite retail pick for investors, is the first of the department stores to report, and it's not expected to be good.
I think the department stores have a tough week ahead. I think Macy's on Wednesday will kick off with a really tough top-line print. We are modeling a negative 6% same-store sales, which would be among the worst prints that Macy's would put up, really since the financial crisis.
Boss isn't the only analyst warning investors. Analysts at Citi, Stern AG, and MKM Partners have lowered estimates for Macy's, Kohl's, Nordstrom, and JCPenney, in many cases for both the first quarter and beyond. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Courtney Reagan.